Calling all Mixels! Calling all Mixels! Tonight, we're gonna celebrate. That's right, everyone. I finally got them all. I finally have all of Mixels Series 1. I finally collected every last one of them. As you can to celebrate, I'll be reviewing all of them. Even Goku and Omnimon came to visit. Sorry. Alright, let's put them in order. I even brought my Amber fossil to celebrate as well. We got the Infradites, Flame, Vulk, Zorch. We got the Cragsters, Seismo, Crater, and Shup. And we got the Electroids, Teslo, Electro, and Zaptor. These are all the Mixels for Series 1. And I finally have them all. And to celebrate, we're gonna draw one of the best characters for Mixels Series 1. From the biggest and most epic Mixels episode ever. DJ Vulk, you're gonna be taking the stage. Me? Really? That's right. Starting today, we're gonna draw you as your DJ self. Yay! Let's get started.
Yesterday burn and throw it in a fire, in a fire, in a fire. Live like a warrior.
Shoot. This should take a minute. Just gotta start. Alexa, play Pompeii.
Pompeii by Bastille on Amazon Music.
Got it. Now we draw the headset.
Close your eyes. Does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been
Here's Vulk's fingers. Press play.
And the walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love.
Time to drop some sick beats. Breakdown beats. Breakdown beats. Drop the beats and bring the music.
But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel
Here are the discs.
And the walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Great clouds roll
There you go.
over the hills, bringing darkness from us. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it
Remix. Mix. Here's his DJ station. Alexa, play Make Your Move.
Here's Make Your Move by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
Now I'll show you how a real DJ does it.
Is everybody ready to move like the PJ Masks? Okay then, make your move. You wanna run like Catboy, make your feet go fast.
And there he is. That's how you draw DJ Vulk. Oh yeah. Let's shake it up a notch. Frick up. Remix. Mixed. That is how you draw DJ Vulk. Yay, it looks just like me. That's right. This one goes out to all the Series 1 Mixels. And to those who enjoy Mixels as much as I do, I've got news for you. Just recently, they unleashed this new game called Mixels Unite. And I hope that this will turn into an actual movie. It'd be a real sight here to behold. And it's gonna star a few new characters. And that includes Flame and Seismo. Time to work together and save the universe. And dare do I say it? I thank you all for enjoying and watching my series, and thank you all for watching this episode. I'm proud you all got to see me draw Season 1 Mixels Vulk. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and get ready for more high-flying action. Stegosaurus, see you later, and good night. This one goes out to those who live in New York City, and this one goes out to the dinosaurs and the Mixels themselves.